In today's episode, we're continuing on with my series of understanding perimenopause and menopause. So if you want to know what today's topic is, you know what to do. Stick around. Tonight's sponsor is Completely You Jewelry, where your independent consultant is Terry Donald. Now, I'll have the link to all her information down below, and when you go, tell her Stephanie sent you. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, Healthy Tips and More. And today we're going to continue on with my series because I am going through perimenopause, and what I've learned I wanted to share with you ladies. Now today's topic is perimenopause got you feeling like you're on fire. Yeah, I think we're all experiencing that one. Perimenopause, often referred to as the transition before menopause, is a phase of life that we can feel like a whirlwind of emotions and physical changes. For many, it can truly feel as though we are all on fire, not just metaphorically, but literally. Thanks to the infamous hot flashes and night sweats that characterizes this stage. Understanding why these symptoms occur and how to manage them can make this time of your life more manageable and empowering. Now, what is perimenopause? Perimenopause is the natural hormonal transition that leads up to menopause. This phase can start in a person's early 40s or even the late 30s, lasting anywhere from a few months to several years before menstruation ceases entirely. During perimenopause, levels of estrogen and progesterone, the primary reproductive hormones, start to fluctuate unpredictably. The hormonal shifts are the root cause of many of the symptoms experienced during this time. Why do I feel on fire? One of the hallmark symptoms of perimenopause is hot flashes and suddenly an intense sensation of heat that seems to radiate from within. Here's why it happens. Hormonal fluctuations. The irregular surges and declines of estrogen levels directly affect the hypothalamus, the part of the brain responsible for regulating body temperature. While estrogen levels drop, the hypothalamus may misread your body temperature as being too high, triggering the heat release mechanism. Blood vessels near the skin surface dilatate to cool it down. The results in a rush of warmth and flushing and often sweating. These hormonal shifts often impact the vascular system, causing blood vessels to expand and contract erratically. This contributes to the sensation of overheating and the visible redness after associated with hot flashes. The adrenal response. Now, the adrenal glands kick into gear during this time, producing stress hormones like cortisol. Heightened cortisol levels can exacerbate feelings of warmth and make hot flashes more intense. While hot flashes and night sweats may take center stage, perimenopause often comes with a host of additional symptoms that can amplify the feeling of being on fire. Insomnia. The combination of night sweats and hormonal changes can disrupt sleep, leaving you feeling fatigued and irritable during the day. Mood swings and fluctuating hormones can cause heightened emotions, making you feel like you're burning with frustration and anxiety. Heart palpitations. The irregular heartbeat some people experience can feel like an internal alarm, adding to the sensation of heat and discomfort. Skin sensitivity. Increased sensitivity during perimenopause can make your skin feel warm and irritated, and though it's on fire. How to cool the flames. The good news. There are effective strategies to manage the heat and make the transition smoother. Number 1, life adjustments. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. It helps regulate your body temperature and counteracts with the dehydration caused by sweating. Dress in layers. Lightweight, breathable fabrics allow you to easily shed layers when the hot flashes strike. Address your diet. Avoid spicy foods, caffeine, alcohol, all of which can trigger hot flashes. Incorporate cooling foods like leafy greens, cucumbers, and water-rich fruits. Exercise regularly. Moderate exercises can stabilize hormone levels and improve overall well-being. Number 2, hormonal and medical interventions. Hormonal replacement therapy. HRT can help balance estrogen and progesterone levels, alleviating severe symptoms. Non-hormonal medications. Some medications such as antidepressants or gabapentin have been shown to reduce hot flashes. Over-the-counter remedies. Supplements like black cohosh, even primrose oil, and soy isoflavones, I think that's how that's pronounced, I'm going to put it on the screen for you, may provide some relief in mild symptoms. Number 3, stress management. A calmer mind can lead to a cooler body. Techniques such as mindfulness, yoga, and deep breathing exercise help reduce stress hormones, thereby decreasing the intensity of the symptoms. While perimenopause is a natural phase of life, its symptoms can sometimes disrupt your daily activities and overall quality of life. If hot flashes, mood swings, and other symptoms become overwhelming, consult your healthcare provider. They can help tailor a treatment plan that fits your needs. Perimenopause, while challenging, is also a time of transformation. It's a reminder that your body is resilience and adaptability. Take proactive steps to understand and manage the symptoms that can make the transition feel less like being on fire and more like a journey toward a new chapter in life. Now, the flames of perimenopause don't have to consume you. With the right tools and mindset, you can harness that fiery time and ignite a healthier you and more balanced lifestyle. If you have any other tips that you think that would be helpful to other women, please share them in the comment section below. We're all here to help each other during this time of our lives. If you are interested in learning any more about menopause or perimenopause, check out the other videos in this series. The links are below. Now, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and hit the subscribe and notification buttons so that when I upload something new, you'll be notified. Also, I would love for you to follow me on my social media accounts. They are listed in the description box. Now, I want to thank you for coming and watching, and let's jump off of here and let's get in the chat.